Never sounded mean, dude. Well, that's one of my next projects in the back there. Well, they don't look pretty by any means. They don't look horrible either. Except a little. Man, I am my one worst critic, aren't I? Jeez. Shit's sake. Anyway, it was falling apart. I tried to roll something off of this bitch, and it's like, no. It folded up on me on both sides, so I welded it back together. Thank you. End of story. Done deal. Welded whatever was broken there back together, and see, this one was ripped through, so you grind it down later. So I could have various shits to fix, you know, fucking everywhere. I'll do that this fall when everything's wet. Right now we got worse things to fix. Things that actually keep us from being able to drive. Then we'll get some angle pieces to come up like this and put the fucking roller piece on too. Like I said it once already, it's fractured. Right here. We need to get the weeds out of here. See, I told you this thing had been sitting 20 years. I just did most of the cleaning already before I did the filming. I like to film the disgusting filth. Everyone else does that.
Yeah, huh? Not bad at all. See you guys in the next video. Peace.